They are all over. They're on the channel, they're at your place, and they hide behind a name. I'm not here calling out, I'm here just telling you the truth. Remember those commercials? The cigarette commercials? Truth hurts. Don't let it get you down. Don't let it bother you. Continue forward and do what you do best. And eventually everything will go just fine. Just like a rat. They come out, they grab what they gotta do, and they go back to hiding. DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro, when I started off saying that, hey, how come it doesn't have a record, cancel, delete? Well, DJI Osmo Pocket 3 has it, and the Pocket 2 has it. And what they did was they enabled and disabled the feature, but never brought it into the action cameras. And the action camera should have it like other companies out there. This now makes this camera a budget camera. Doesn't have all the bells and whistles. If you want all the bells and whistles, then this camera is not for you. You may want to get a DSLR, but you're going to carry around something so big. An action camera today does it all. If I'm standing here, then I have to take out my smartphone and use it as a remote control or my microphone. I don't have the option to go to the camera and hit it and have a 3, 5, or 10-second video timer for recording. DJI doesn't understand what a video self-timer record shutter is, and that is the problem. The thing is, if you have it, then why would you have a microphone? Why would you have the smartphone application? Well, that takes care of the issue, or a GPS remote control. That's going to ruin the camera, because every time you put this up, no, DJI start recording. DJI start recording can stop recording. DJI take a photo. Voice commands and hand gestures. Hand gestures are only good for the satellites up there. Hey, take my picture. Stop my video. Take my video, stop my picture, stop my picture. Well, you know, maybe they don't have 100 people to help out to put this into the camera. And that's why DJI is a budget camera. And people can afford to get a budget camera that the action camera is by far one of the best cameras on the market, keeping the price down. But DJI got so smart due to the tariffs, thanks to marketing out there of United States of America. Normally it's like this, the right hand, yes indeed. And we got tariffs. And now DJI is beating around the bush, come out with Extra Edge, the Extra Edge Pro, and the Extra Muse. Maybe they got a forum. Maybe they got a place that we can go and start up a community. Let's not stop there, because DJI is also known as Dream Leptech Cube. And that is now an 8K Nano that DJI did not want to put to 8K, but given it to a company, a group of people that now have their company and passing along for $5, 269, 64 gig, 8K, AI, NM, artificial intelligence chip, you got it, or a 128 for just a little bit more and giving you a free case for $5 to lock in so they can grab your money and eventually release that camera. Well, I'm all packed in, ready to get on out of here. I said a lot, did a lot, shared a lot, showed some. And now it's time to say, hey, I'm Fish. Hope you enjoy yourself. Hope you have a good time. Hope you got something out of the story that the DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro, soon to come out with all the rumors out there that DJI themselves do not announce anything or take care of anything on their own. We have the people, the world, that takes care of it for them. And on that note, you, the person, makes the camera. And if you post down below and want what you want on the camera, the forum, you'll get what you want. And on that note, have a great day. You ever see that movie, Where Have All the People Gone? I don't think you have.